Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amabenza to TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Amazulu 1. I'm joined by Tabang, the film maker.
Stivo.
Yeah.
Another draw.
Yeah.
Nane kitla stadium.
Yes.
FNB stadium.
Yes.
Kanti kitla ATM kitlo draw.
Yeah.
It happens like that. Last week kitla FNB kinana kitla stadium. Kanti kitla FNB ATM kitlo draw.
Yes.
It's sad.
Yeah, I see.
Stivo, I go tell something. We are in a very, very abusive relationship with Chiefs.
Yeah.
We love it.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if Chiefs loves me
Yeah.
or it loves us. I'm not sure if they want us to come here. But let me tell you something. I don't want anyone to point fingers. I don't want us to point fingers. I don't want anyone to point fingers at players.
Yes, yes.
We have Chabalala ki quality.
Yes.
Cross ki quality.
Yes.
Mayo ki quality.
Yes.
Lilepo ki quality. He had a bad game.
Yes.
Bad day in the office.
Yeah.
Quality. Mamela. Tula. Unana kadi bread. Mamela. 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 I'm gonna start a church. I've started the process. I've started the process of registering a church. And my first verse, there's Moses somewhere. That Moses started Pretoria. He went to Egypt. He went to Arab countries. Now he's gonna come to Soweto. That's the prophecy that Moses will come and save us. He will take us to the promised land. That Moses, we are waiting for him. Hallelujah, Kosi. Hallelujah, Kosi.